All right, guys. So I am doing a recap, a very late recap, because honestly, I wake up late. I couldn't wake up this morning, and um, yeah. So sorry, I slept in for the morning. I came in there early in the morning around my time, around 10 o'clock, but market was about 11 o'clock, and I looked at the watch list of the people and see who's doing what. And I looked at ROKU, and ROKU was interesting for me because the I was hitting the scanner as well. ROKU, it was hitting the scanner, and I looked at it and realized that the stock went up, and then it's it came below the VWAP, and I decided to take it to the short side for a green to red. So on a 1 minute chart here, this is a trade that I took. So as you see, stock, was below the VWAP, came in. I took a short here when it dropped below the VWAP. I had a stop loss above the VWAP. It did came down and then suddenly popped up. I was ready to get a stopped out, but I waited to see if this candlestick, this 1 minute candlestick, actually what this candlestick does. And if I was ready to get a stop out above this moving average, but it did came back up. And as soon as I saw it came back up, this false breakout, I actually added more to my share. So I had a fairly big size on ROKU, I think about 3,000 shares, which is a very big size on ROKU. But I noticed that this is a really good drop, so I went short here. And for red to green, this is a previous day close. As you see, the previous day close is 129.88 here. So my average was 130.85. And as you see, drop, covered 10%, another 10%, another percent. I covered another half here, and I had only a small piece because I really didn't know where the stock is going. On a 5 minute chart, we really got a really good drop. And the last piece I got I think I was holding it. I was ready for another crack until it popped up, and I got out at the break even. So yeah, I don't know what it's going to do. Probably it's going to be choppy for the rest of the day, but I think I got a really decent really decent drop with one trade. Yeah, so 3,000 is a big size, but I have the buying power, so it wasn't a really big issue. But what I'm always telling people is always have to look at it as a percentage. If you have, for example, 3,000 shares at 103, would be $360,000 buying power. And if you use margin, let's say half of it is margin, only you have 180, you need 180K in your account. So it would be more than, almost 2% of your account. So, or, almost 1.5%. So if you look at it as a percentage wise of your account size, it's really nothing. If you were taking a smaller share size, you could still get 1 to 2% profit in this. All right, guys. So, but I added most of my position here at 130.87. Jared, what is Jared? So is there anyone has anything to share with me? I know the chat is kind of, most of the people are gone. Is there any trade? Upload files? Yeah, see you in New York tomorrow. So yeah, there is upload. So how did Jared share this one? Oh, there you go. Amen did. SPY. So long SPY at 3016 popped up, sold, and then drop. You added more. Beautiful. Really nice. Really nice. Really nice trading. Just amazing trade. Amen. Amazing trade. Amen. Jared. MO drop. Breaking news, short cover. You killed it, Jared. Livio, Microsoft. Yeah, Microsoft was at the opening range break up, sold all the way up to 142.40. Beautiful trade. Yeah. Barber. What is this one? Yeah, I don't know what ticker is, but this is a big drop. And the pullback, you went short. You hold it through this moving average all the way up to that. Blake, MU. What did you do on MU? 1 minute chart. You went long. You got stopped out. You flipped short. Yeah, I actually don't know exactly what happened here. It's too messy. SKRKS. What is this? X was in play at the open. Yeah. This is a pre-market, so Yeah, you went short all the way up 935. Cover, cover, cover. Really nice. Beautiful. Zen. Microsoft. Yeah, Microsoft long. Yeah, as you see, long here all the way up here. Nice. Very nice. Lucas. What is that, Lucas? Microsoft long, sold, sold, and long again, sold, sold. Right. Very nice. Very nice, guys. So it's good trading. Yeah, ROKU. Yeah, I got to stop out the last piece on the break even. So as you know, this is how I'm trading. You know, as soon, you know, this is my short, my stop loss here. This is a decent 2-to-1 risk. You know, and as I scale out, I bring my stop loss back to break even. So this, you know, just passed a little bit of my stop loss, but that wasn't a big issue. All right, guys. Thank you very much. Just a short recap. And I'll see you tomorrow morning. And this weekend we'll be in New York City. Saturday, I'll see you all Saturday in New York City with Dr. Brett Steenbarger and SMB Capital. And yeah, so excited to see you guys. Have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow morning.